American Flag, New York, National Rifle Association, right? He says that bottom line, their chickens are probably sick, right? Now he's gonna have a problem with me because I'm live. This is completely legal, all right? You didn't say anything, but the point is I was standing there, you're backing up when you can literally pull forward. You can talk to me. You want to see about our chicken? All right. You see that? These are people trying to save our neighborhood. And I'm not going to argue with you.
Is the neighborhood on siege? Or
yes, sir. Go look around. Follow us on Save Our Birds.
Where can I follow you?
You do Facebook? Are you on Facebook?
No, social media. Okay,
then Home Street, okay? Hey, somebody give me Gina's address. We got a whole bunch of protesters out there.
Where is it?
Okay, you go down here, you turn right on Homes.
Yeah.
Okay, on the right side, it's 11,360 homes. You can talk to the people there, they can show you the evidence. I'm not your enemy, sir. I'm just trying. You see your American flag the way you are? That's the way we need to continue to stay. But when Gavin Newsom...
The reason that they're killing chickens, right?
No, they're not giving us the disease. They're not giving us the test results. The chickens are alive.
I'm sure they give the test results to the homeowners.
No, go talk to the homeowners. They all come back. What? Lower your window.
Why are the homeowners allowing them on the property?
Because they're illegal immigrants. They don't know. Listen, I gotta go this. Why don't you go look right here? We got proof right here. This dude is full of shit. He's working for the government. We got the chicken killers right there. There's the chicken killers. Sir, come here. Look, we got the chickens right here in the back. Come here. We got the chickens.
Now you just admitted that there's illegal immigrants living here?
Yes, they are. But this is a sanctuary state. See that truck? It's got full of dead chickens. He's been running since. All right? There's your proof, and you're refusing it.
Any fucking proof.
Yeah, there we go. We got your face. Okay, folks. You saw that idiot. He's one of your neighbors. They're running from us. Chicken killers. Right on the back. Right here. Bags full of chickens. You saw that? Dead chickens. They've been running for us for an hour. They're the chicken killers. They got dead chickens back there. They're going to the dump with it. Find us on Facebook. Save Our Birds. All right, folks. It's okay, Denise. The guy's an idiot. Your typical guy who wants proof. You see that? That guy wants proof. That truck's got dead chickens in it, in the plastic bags.
If they really cared about the disease, they would be incinerating them, right?
Thank you very much. Can I put you on live?
What?
Say what you said on live.
Yeah, I don't care.
Say it.
If they really cared about the stop spreading of the disease, they'd be incinerating them. They wouldn't be.
You put them in a landfill.
Exactly.
The blood pathogen is going to spread the disease.
Exactly. So you can see there is no disease.
The birds will just pick it up and carry it.
Exactly. Exactly.
Conspiracy.
But you know what? That guy with a nice truck was arguing with me. I'm saying, here's the proof. And he goes, oh, I don't see no proof.
The proof is in the pudding.
Yeah. Proof is when that truck's been driving around for a whole hour.
Yeah,
you know?
If they're really worried about it, they'd be incinerating.
Yeah, they have hazmat suits on.
They had hazmat suit, but they would incinerate it on the spot.
Right.
They won't be moving it from the area. They would burn the place.
Because they're driving door to door, they're spreading the disease.
Exactly. Excellent point, gentlemen. Look me up on Save. Yeah, look us up on Save Our Birds.
When that lady in Paris got her surprise show chickens, I saw that.
Yeah, she was a highway patrol lady.
Oh, so that's Carrie.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the one that's leading us.
Yeah, she was pissed.
Yeah, this is us. This is her group, Save Our Birds.
You guys for fighting for a good
Hey,
cause.
we're doing a protest tomorrow, downtown Riverside at the county building.
Really?
Yeah, be at 8:30.
Yeah, well, the county is behind it all.
Well, somebody's behind it.
Well, yeah, you know, the counties are in the pockets of the people that are trying to get rid of the birds.
You're very smart. You should be running for city council.
Yeah, I was going to, but then they said I was too smart.
No. I'm running for city council in Riverside, and I'm one of the dumbest ones. But you can see I can make a difference.
Well, get a hold of John Tavoloni. He'll get to the bottom of it.
Well, he's not supervisor anymore.
Oh, he's not?
No.
I just saw him at the burger joint on Madison.
But next time, talk to him.
I'll ask him.
All right, take care, guys. I gotta go. All right, folks, you saw how that was going. Amazing. All right, I'm gonna get off live.